Hey everybody, it's Spirit, and today I'm going to be showing you how to thread and telling you why it's better for you to thread. Telling you the reasons why it's better for you to thread versus plucking or waxing or doing any of that. Hairs can be shorter than they have to be with waxing. It's very inexpensive. It's quick. It's more precise than waxing. It's less painful than tweezing, and it lasts a lot longer. You can get a little spool of thread from like Walmart. I know this is beat up, it's really old, but it lasts a really long time. And then you take two ends and tie them together, and then you're stuck with a box. And you just basically twist it 5 times. And then you're ready to thread. You just basically do your hands in this kind of motion, back and forth, and that's how you thread. Something really easy to do. I learned how to pick it up through a YouTube video, and it is a lot more inexpensive than waxing, and you can't burn yourself with it, which I love because I have burned myself with waxing. That's all I got for you today. Until next time, bye.